Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Is the ruling for giving non-Muslims products with pork gelatin purchased by mistake the same as alcohol prohibited? See, something which is not permissible for you to use is same thing for the non-Muslims as well, regardless of whether they follow that rule or not. But you can't say in that sense that, oh, alcohol is haram for me to consume, but I can make money by selling it to the non-Muslims. No. Something which haram in Islam, it is not even allowed for you to share it with others, whether it is for gift purpose, free purpose, business purpose, it's not allowed. So that's very simple. Hope you have understood that.